In order to further improve the production efficiency and optimize the production process, Hero Intelligence has created a set of battery container intelligent logistics system for a famous battery company in China, with intelligent management of the whole process. The project is mainly used for battery container assembly, sorting, conveying, visual identification, palletizing, film wrapping, RFID reading, and automatic work reporting, which saves labor costs and improves production efficiency through the seamless connection between WMS and WCS and MES. Real-time binding of battery container and position code information, realizing the automation of logistics delivery and improving the warehouse management level. Reasonable layout of the storage space, flexible and practical material flow lines, to ensure the efficient operation and stability of the system. Meanwhile, appropriate redundancy is retained to meet future storage expansion needs.